Rufus.
Look at it. Such mindlessness. Sleeps on a giant mattress with a bunch of smaller mattresses to lay his head on, and has a giant fluffy coat of mattress to cover himself to keep him warm. What do I have, you may ask? I have a thin-layered mattress crammed away in a tiny cage for me to sleep on. I don't have any smaller mattress to lay my head on, nor a thin-layered mattress to cover myself and keep myself warm. No, I have an uncomfortable little bed, while this man has a giant grand bed.
Rufus, are you okay?
And why are you still in bed? It is literally 12 in the afternoon. You have passed my feeding time. You know what? If you don't do my every command in the next 5 seconds, I'm gonna poop on your...
Wanna come sleep in my bed with me?
Oh, okay.